2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a bold revival of one of the most iconic nameplates in Volkswagen's storied history. Originally introduced in the 1950s, the Karmann Ghia blended the practicality of a Beetle with Italian-inspired styling, courtesy of the Ghia design house and coach builder Karmann. For decades, it held a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts for its distinctive curves and laid-back driving experience. Now, in 2026, Volkswagen brings the Karmann Ghia back to life with a thoroughly modern interpretation that pays tribute to the original while embracing cutting-edge technology and sustainable performance. The new Karmann Ghia arrives as a fully electric compact coupe, reflecting Volkswagen's ongoing commitment to electrification under its ID lineup. While it is not branded directly under the ID series, the Karmann Ghia shares much of its EV architecture with models like the ID.3 and ID.4. The new platform allows for a low center of gravity, responsive handling, and a spacious interior, all wrapped in a sleek two-door body that echoes the elegant silhouette of the original car. The 2026 model doesn't attempt to copy the classic design outright but instead uses it as inspiration, incorporating smooth, flowing lines, a minimalist front fascia, and subtle chrome accents to create a timeless yet contemporary look. Powering the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a single rear-mounted electric motor, producing around 250 horsepower, which provides a spirited driving experience without being overly aggressive. A dual-motor all-wheel drive version is expected to arrive later, pushing performance closer to 320 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just under 6 seconds, offering enough punch for daily driving and the occasional enthusiastic cruise. The vehicle is equipped with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack, similar to the one found in the ID.4, allowing for an estimated range of up to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on driving conditions and wheel configuration. The driving experience is where the Karmann Ghia really stands out. It's tuned for balance and comfort rather than track day performance. The suspension is adaptive, smoothing out rough roads while still offering enough feedback to engage the driver. Steering is precise and light, making the car easy to maneuver in urban environments and fun on winding roads. Regenerative braking is customizable, with several modes that allow drivers to choose between traditional coasting and more aggressive regen that supports one-pedal driving. Inside, the cabin is a study in minimalist design with premium materials and a strong focus on sustainability. The dashboard is clean, dominated by a floating 15-inch infotainment touchscreen that handles most functions, including navigation, media, and climate control. There's also an 8-inch digital instrument cluster directly behind the steering wheel, offering essential driving information at a glance. Volkswagen's latest infotainment software is finally refined and intuitive, responding quickly to inputs and supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, while ambient lighting options allow for personalization to suit any mood. Passenger space in the front is generous, with comfortable, supportive seats wrapped in eco-leather made from recycled materials. The rear seats, while smaller, can accommodate adults for short trips or serve as extra storage. Cargo capacity is surprisingly practical for a coupe, thanks to a hatchback-style rear opening and a flat loading floor. There's also a small front trunk, or frunk, for additional storage, perfect for carrying a charging cable or a compact overnight bag. Safety and driver assistance features are robust in the 2026 Karmann Ghia. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. A 360-degree camera system is optional, along with a self-parking feature and Volkswagen's latest semi-autonomous driving technology for highway use. The car can receive over-the-air updates to improve features and add functionality over time, ensuring that it stays current long after purchase. What makes the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia particularly appealing is how it manages to blend nostalgia with progress. It's not just a design exercise or a retro throwback, it's a thoughtfully engineered vehicle that fits perfectly into the current era of electric mobility while honoring its legacy. For longtime fans of the original Karmann Ghia, this modern version offers a sense of continuity and emotional connection. For new drivers unfamiliar with the name, it stands on its own as a stylish, capable, and forward-thinking coupe. Volkswagen's decision to bring back the Karmann Ghia name shows that heritage and innovation don't have to be at odds. The 2026 model captures the soul of a classic while embracing the future with open arms. It's a statement car, one that turns heads without shouting, performs with grace, and reminds the world that beauty and sustainability can coexist on four wheels.